Today's recipe is Murgh ka salan. For this we will need yogurt. The main ingredient for this dish is chicken. So we need 800 grams of chicken. This is around 8 pieces of chicken here. We need 375 grams of yogurt. This is around 1.5 cups of yogurt. We need 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 black cardamom. So what we'll do is we'll marinate the chicken with these ingredients. So now I'll add my spices to this yogurt. First we'll mix all the spices in the yogurt and then we'll add it to our chicken. Now I will marinate this chicken for a minimum of 4 hours. If you marinate it overnight, it would give the best results. I'll just stir the spices in this yogurt before adding it to the chicken. Whisk your yogurt well. And now I'll just add it to the chicken. I'll cover this and place it in my fridge for marination. I have just removed this chicken from my fridge after marinating it for 4 hours. For the next step of this recipe, we need some onions. This is around 200 grams of sliced onions. It's around 2 medium-sized onions, and we need 150 grams of chopped tomatoes. Here I've used baby tomatoes because that's what I have at home, and just out of curiosity I counted the baby tomatoes, so they're around 23 tomatoes, baby tomatoes, which I cut in 2 halves. For this recipe we also need cilantro or mint leaves for garnishing, as well as some cooking oil. So let's start making this dish. To a warm pan, add some oil. I'm adding about 4 tablespoons of oil. When the oil becomes a bit warm, then I'll add the sliced onions to this wok. Oil is warm. Now I'm adding a bit of butter. This is around 2 tablespoons. This is a complete option. Butter gives a better flavor to the dish. I'll also add in the sliced onions, and I'll fry these onions till they are transparent. Onions have turned transparent. Now I'll add in the tomatoes, the baby tomatoes, and I will cook these tomatoes till they turn soft and little oil begins to float on the surface of this. Right now my flame is on low to medium. Don't keep your flame high because there are high chances of onions burning. So it's best to cook on low to medium flame. So now I'll let these tomatoes cook till they turn soft. Tomatoes have turned soft. You can see the oil is floating on the surface. Now at this point of time, if you think salt is less, you can add in a little more salt, because our marination already has salt. Just give it a good stir. And now at this point, I will add the chicken to the onion and tomato mix. We will cook this on low to medium flame. At this point, I'll just cover the pot and let it cook till the oil floats on the surface. Check on the chicken. Every 5 minutes, need to check on the chicken and stir it occasionally. Now if you want, you can add more water, but I don't think I need any more water because the yogurt has left its water well. And I'll continue cooking this chicken till it's completely tender. I'll cover it and let it cook on low flame. Let's check if the chicken is cooked. You can see the beautiful color of this gravy. Give it a quick stir, and I'll just insert a knife through to check if the chicken is cooked well, and you can see it's going in beautifully. It's cooked. Now at this point of time, I'll add in some cilantro leaves. If you don't have cilantro, you could also use mint leaves, and if you don't have either, you don't need to use it. Just give it a quick stir, and this korma is ready to serve. Let's serve this chicken curry with the prepared Zira rice made with dill. Dahi Murgh is ready to serve. Chicken curry is ready to serve. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please also click on the bell icon for notification for my latest videos. Thank you for watching.